Hi there, Jay Marshall here. Let's take a look at the ClassLink portal and how we can use it to log into different applications that you might be using in class. When you open your Chromebook, this will be the first screen that pops up. You have to log into ClassLink to get into the Chromebook. So you will use your username, which is that 6-digit ID number that is usually followed by @nmusd.us, but you're only going to type in the number and then the password that you've also been given. It's district created, and you can click sign in. Now, some teachers have given out quick cards that you scan to get in. They look like a QR code, so you would click this button and then hold the quick card over the camera, and it'll get you in as well. Once you log in to ClassLink, you can then get into any of these apps. Let's try Freckle. We're going to focus on that one. Click Freckle, and look at that. You're in. You're already in. It's that easy. And you can spend less time logging in, more time getting to work. Alrighty, I hope that helps. Take care of yourselves and have a great day.